What's up, guys, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome. Today, the first time I'm gonna smell Parfums de Marly Layton. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna spray for the first time Parfums de Marly Layton. I heard a lot of things about this. It's one of the biggest contenders of Creed Aventus, so let's find out. Let's put it on some paper. Very, very nice. I don't know the main notes, like always. Okay, it has a little bit apple, I think. It has some sweet apple. But I feel some jasmine as well. It's very nice, you know, like always. I'm gonna test it for a couple of days and then I'm gonna give my final opinion on it. But I think it's very sexy. That's my main point. It's sweet, but at the same time, it feels a little bit salty. So I think this is more for sunny days on the outside, like if you wanna perform, if you wanna project, you know, and you want ladies to be around you, or your wife. I love it, man. I like it. Let's try it on my skin. Yeah, it has a very sweet opening, so I like it. Let's check it out for a couple of days. But at the moment for the opening, I give it 8.5. It reminds me a little bit of Dior Fahrenheit, because Dior Fahrenheit smells like gasoline though, but it has some violet on it. So I'm not sure if the main notes of Parfums de Marly Layton, have this ingredient. But yeah, very nice, very sexy. So yeah, that's my first smell of Parfums de Marly Layton. Thanks so much. If you like this video, thumbs up and stay tuned for more. Have a good week, guys.